People on Hobby King's site, several have been saying that these adapter plugs, XT60 adapter plugs, are failing. That as soon as they use them a couple of times, that the pins are pulling out. I have a brand new pack of 2. I've never even plugged in yet. So because of that, I'm now going to plug in and unplug several times and see what happens. I have just plugged in each, I don't know if you can see this, hopefully, each plug, plugged it in and unplugged it 10 times. And here we go again. And the pins are fine. Nothing's coming apart at all. I'm wondering if the fellows that have had these things come undone is because while in use, the amp draw might have been extreme and generated a lot of heat, causing the connector to fail from heat. But as it is, just cycling it here on the ground with no current running through it, connectors are just fine.